Hi, I'm Johnny, Pozotron's Customer Outreach Manager, and this is a short video to explain what to do if you're invited to collaborate on somebody's project within Pozotron. If they've invited you to collaborate, you'll get an email that looks just like this. It'll tell you who it's from and also the name of the project and what they're inviting you to collaborate on. So you can go ahead and hit the Open Project button, and this will bring you to a login page. If you've never created an account, this is where you can sign up and create a Pozotron account. It is completely free of charge. You just need the first name, last name, and a password, and to agree to the privacy policy. If you already have an account, you'll see this page where you just enter your credentials, hit login, and you'll be brought to the project that you were shared with. So if you are new to Pozotron, if you have any questions about what you can do in a project like this, we are happy to help. You can hit this Get Help button up here, which will send an email to me and the rest of my team, where we are happy to schedule a call with you or answer any questions that you have. You can also go to positron.com/contact and contact us from there. Thanks.